Welcome to JH. In this guide, we will show you how to resolve issues with Yahoo Mail not functioning correctly. If you are having trouble reaching your inbox, don't worry, because these simple troubleshooting steps will help you fix the problem quickly. Start by checking that your internet connection is reliable and stable. A weak or dropping signal is frequently the cause of mail errors. You can verify your connection by trying to load any other website in a new tab. If that site opens without trouble, you can be sure your internet is working fine and is not the source of the issue. If your connection is stable, the next move is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. This removes old or corrupted files that might be causing technical conflicts. For Google Chrome users, click the three dots in the upper right corner to open the menu. Then navigate to the Delete Browsing Data option. Choose All Time for the time range and make sure the boxes for cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files, are selected before clicking the Delete button. Sometimes the issue is specific to the browser itself. If clearing the cache doesn't help, try using a different web browser or opening Yahoo Mail in an incognito window. Private mode starts a fresh session without using stored cookies. In Chrome, you can open an incognito window by pressing Ctrl+Shift+N. This often bypasses settings that prevent Yahoo Mail from loading properly. If these steps do not work, you should contact Yahoo support for more help. Go to help.yahoo.com in your browser and click on the Contact Us option. When the pop-up appears, select Yahoo Mail as the product you need assistance with. You will then be asked to provide your Yahoo email ID to proceed. After entering it, click Get Started to begin the support process. By following this walkthrough, you should be able to get your Yahoo Mail working again. Thank you for watching, and we hope you get back to your emails without further delay.